it's not really the facts that are relevant, but more for our clients, the importance of pre-employment declaration. So in that case, it was a Comcare scheme, so the Commonwealth-based workers' comp scheme, but a guy had injured his ankle, aggravated it many, many years later, and the employer sought to deny his work cover claim on the basis that he hadn't provided full disclosure of the ankle injury, which had happened 30 odd years earlier.
Oh, wow, yeah, okay.
The court accepted the worker's claim on the basis that he had made sufficient disclosure that he had had a pre-existing injury. But I just really want to push home the importance of pre-employment declarations, and there are two really powerful sections in the Victorian and Queensland workers' comp legislation, which provides that if you provide an employee before they start employment with a pre-employment declaration, make it clear what the nature of the job is and what the inherent requirements of the job are, both physical and from a psychological point of view as well. Ask them if they have got any pre-existing injuries that might be impacted by the nature of that particular role that they're applying for. And then if they don't make accurate disclosure that they've got a pre-existing injury and that injury is aggravated at work by the nature of the role, then their work cover claim can be rejected. Yeah, so it's not used a lot, but it's something that's very, very important to have available to you because obviously the benefits are obvious, so you can avoid a work cover claim. But it's just really important that your documentation sets out the criteria that's in the legislation. I've actually Googled, just as a matter of interest, pre-employment declarations. Not a single one that I've seen meet the criteria of the Act.
Fascinating, except for ours.
Except for ours. We've got really good ones, actually.
That's right. And look, Kim, outside of the work cover aspects, can pre-employment checks of that nature be used for any other purpose?
Yeah, they can, because, it's requiring employees to make an honest disclosure. And if they're not honest in something that's fundamental to their employment, well, then it can allow an employer to take disciplinary action for their dishonesty.
Yeah, okay, look, really fascinating. Always coming back to the dishonesty, I think, is such an important and fundamental part of the employment relationship.
Exactly.
So, yeah, really interesting. Oh, thanks, Kim.